Welcome to Dr. Imran's Official. In today's video we will discuss IVF procedure. IVF, in vitro fertilization, is a fertility treatment where an egg is fertilized with sperm outside the body. Here's a step-by-step overview of the IVF procedure. 1. Ovulation induction. Medication stimulates the ovaries to produce multiple eggs. 2. Egg retrieval. Eggs are retrieved through a minor surgical procedure. 3. Sperm collection. A semen sample is collected from the male partner. 4. Fertilization. Eggs and sperm are mixed in a lab dish, allowing fertilization to occur. 5. Embryo culture. Fertilized eggs, embryos, are grown in a specialized medium for 3 to 5 days. 6. Embryo transfer. One or more embryos are transferred into